Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Iron Man solo on guitar. Start by ensuring your guitar is in standard E tuning. This classic Black Sabbath solo requires a powerful, distorted tone, so engage your favorite heavy distortion pedal. We'll begin by breaking down the main riff, focusing on slow, deliberate practice to build the necessary finger strength and precision. This foundational work is crucial for mastering the solo. The core of the Iron Man solo begins with a powerful, recognizable riff. You'll primarily use power chords on the low E and A strings. Remember to apply palm muting to achieve that signature tight, percussive sound. Consistent downstrokes are key for rhythmic accuracy, ensuring each note hits with precision and impact. Practice this section until it feels natural. Moving into the solo, you'll encounter several iconic bends. Practice both half-step and whole-step bends, ensuring they are in tune. Apply a wide, expressive vibrato to sustain notes, adding character to your playing. Focus on the rhythmic placement of each phrase. Timing is crucial for capturing the solo's feel. Listen closely to the original recording. To achieve the solo's full impact, gradually increase your playing speed. A metronome is your best friend here, helping you build speed consistently. For the faster licks and runs, alternate picking is essential for smooth execution. Remember to articulate each note clearly, ensuring every sound is defined and powerful. Practice these techniques for a polished performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.